Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on an exciting journey to learn about different types of dogs. Get ready for Dog Breeds 101, Woof Woof. Before we dive into the world of dog breeds, let's learn what makes each dog special. Just like you and your friends, dogs come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Let's explore together. Segment 1, Popular Dog Breeds. Are you ready to meet some popular dog breeds? Let's wag our tails with excitement. 1. Labrador Retriever. Meet the friendly Labradors. They love playing fetch and swimming. They make pawsome family pets and are super smart too. 2. German Shepherd. Woof! German Shepherds are brave and loyal. They help police officers and keep us safe. They're like furry superheroes. 3. Golden Retriever. These golden buddies are full of love and joy. They're great at finding hidden treasures and giving warm cuddles. They're like sunshine on 4 paws. 4. Bulldog. Bulldogs may look tough, but they're big softies at heart. They have wrinkly faces and love snuggling with their favorite humans. They're the best couch potatoes. Segment 2, Specialized Dog Breeds. Let's meet some dogs with special talents and jobs. They're like real-life superheroes with wagging tails. 1. Border Collie. Woof. Border Collies are super smart and love to learn new tricks. They're the best at herding sheep and playing fun games with their families. 2. Dachshund. Say hello to the adorable dachshunds. They have long bodies and short legs, just like little hot dogs. They're great at sniffing out hidden treasures and love going on adventures. 3. Siberian Husky. Brrr! Huskies are fluffy and love snowy adventures. They pull sleds and have beautiful blue eyes. They're like winter explorers. 4. Poodle. Poodles are fancy and smart. They come in different sizes and have curly fur that can be styled in fun ways. They're great at learning tricks and love being pampered. That's all for today's dog breeds.